Journey of life. Destiny unfolds various events in our lives according to the law of karma, the law of reap as you sow. However, we can train the mind to change its reactions to the circumstances presented to us in life. Happiness depends on the reactions of our mind to circumstances outside, and hence, training the mind to transform itself constitutes the core of discipline on the divine path. One can say that there is nothing spiritual about it. If you want to make the journey of life endeavour of joy, it is easy to understand that some discipline is required. The discipline has to be simple, scientific, and also within the reach of the average person. The Fivefold path of the Vedas presented in these pages takes into consideration all these aspects relating to psychosomatic man. It is presented ready to serve like instant coffee or a TV dinner. It is offered as a package deal to suit all requirements. It is the basis of the teachings of all saints and prophets. Train the mind to change its attitudes and happiness dawns. Love thy neighbor as thyself. Let us learn to fill this moment with love, and nothing else is required. Let us fill all the spheres with love. Mind may be a cruel tyrant. Let us train it to become an obedient servant. One may wave palms or sing psalms, but unless one starts practicing love thy neighbor as thyself, no progress can come. This is the fundamental teaching of ancient wisdom.